Hi, good morning. Today's topic is accounting intrastate supply of goods and services. That means we are going to tell you how to do advanced GST entries in TelePrime. We know that taxability depends on the place of supply. Determining the place of supply is critical to identify the taxability. Intrastate supply is a transaction where the location of the supplier and the place of supply is the same. Similarly, in the case of services also, a supplier of services shall be an intrastate supply if the service provider and the service recipient are in the same state. For example, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited is a company registered in Bengaluru, Karnataka. When JJ Traders Private Limited purchased from a supplier whose company is registered in Mysore, Karnataka, the supply is intrastate inward supply. So first of all, the question states that as on 1st October 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited purchased the following goods from Suraj Enterprises Karnataka on credit with supply invoice number FE/BUR/110, and they are purchasing LG 32 inches LED Smart TV and LG 43 inches LED Smart TV. For this, I'm going to open my purchase voucher. First of all, I want to tell you before proceeding with the entry, I want to tell you I'll first press F12 configuration. From here, I will deselect my select common ledger account for item allocation. It was enabled earlier, but I want to disable this now. So I will disable this now, so you can see that the purchase count section will be disabled from the voucher screen. So the supply invoice number will be FE/BUR/110 dated 2nd October. Here I'll create a ledger of Suraj Enterprises. Under sundry creditor. He is also from Karnataka, so here I'll add the GST number 29GGGG1252G1Z9. Alright. Here I'll create two ledgers now, stock items now. LG washing machine, LG 32 inches LED TV. It will come under electronic products. Units will be numbers, and set and alter GST rates. Here I'll add LG 32 inches LED TV. Taxability shall be taxable and the rate will be 18%. The quantity will be 10 units at the rate 18,000. Here I need to create a ledger of purchase at the rate 18%. Alright, now the next stock item is LG 43 inches LED TV. Electronic products numbers. Yes. Here I'll select LG 43 inches LED TV. Taxable 28%. Goods. Here I'll select 5 quantity at the rate 30,000. So the total, so here I'll select the purchase at the rate 20%, which means that I am purchasing LG 32 inches LED TV at the rate 18% GST, and I am purchasing LG 43 inches LED TV at the rate 28% GST. So I am purchasing two stock items at different GST rates. So here I need to create a ledger of simple central tax. So you can see that a central tax of 37,200 has been calculated. I'll create state tax. So you can see that my state tax of 37,200 have been calculated. Now I'll show you the GST tax analysis screen. Here I'll do Alt plus F1, so you can see that on LG 32 inches LED TV, 9% GST has been calculated, and on LG 43 inches LED TV, 14% GST have been calculated. Alright. So this way this entry has been done. Alright. The next stock item, the next question is, as on 2nd October, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited purchased the following goods from Raju Appliances, Karnataka on credit with supply invoice number RA/PUR/Q1. Okay. So here first of all I'll change the date from 2nd October. 2nd October. Here I'll add the supply invoice number RA/PUR/21. Here I'll create a ledger of Raju Enterprises. Under sundry creditor, he is also from Karnataka, so GST number will be 29HHH1234H1Z9. Here they are purchasing LG washing machine. So LG washing machine is already created over here. Stock item. First I need to check at what rate it is going to sell. So it is going to sell on 18%. So the quantity is 5 numbers at the rate 15,000. Here I'll create a select the ledger purchase at the rate 18%. Now the next is Philips LED floor lamps. So I need to check at what rate it is going to purchase. It is going to purchase at the rate 12%. At the rate 5 numbers at the rate 12,000. Here I need to create a ledger of purchase at the rate 12%. Under purchase account. Here I'll add set and alter GST details. Here I'll add Philips LED floor lamps. Purchase taxable 12%. Type of supply will be goods. That's it. Now here I'll select central tax. So it will comes out to be 10,350. Yes. And state tax will be 10,350. And when I'll show you the tax analysis screen, so you can see that on LG washing machine, the tax rate has been calculated at the rate 9%. And on Philips LED floor lamps, it is calculated at the rate 6%. Alright. So this way the question is done. Alright. The next is intrastate outward supply of goods. Outward supply will constitute the supply of goods and services of the transportation of sale, transfer, barter exchange, license, rental, lease and disposal of goods in the course of business. Issuing GST compliant invoices is very critical under GST for error-free return filing. Since Dakshin Electronics Private Limited is a registered dealer, they need to record each sales transactions with all required dealers for GST compliance and file the return in GSTR 1. So here what they have done. Now on 2nd October, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to Kritika Enterprises Karnataka on credit sale bill number 2. Alright. They are selling Samsung 32 inches LED smart TV and charging 18% tax, and they are also selling Philips LED floor lamp and charging 6% tax. So here what I'm gonna do, I'm going to open my sales voucher. The reference number will be 2. Here I'll create Kritika Enterprises under sundry debtor. They are also from Karnataka. So GST number will be 29 double L triple L 1234 L1Z9. Here in the stock item, I am going to select Samsung 32 inches LED TV. Quantity is 2 at the rate 18,500. Here I am going to create a ledger of sales at the rate 18% under sales account. Samsung 32 inches LED TV sales taxable. Here the nature of transaction will comes out to be sales taxable at the rate 18%. Next is Philips LED floor lamps at the rate 2 quantity at the rate 13,000. Here I'll select create a ledger of sales at the rate 12% under sales account. Here I alter GST details. Philips LED floor lamps. It will come under sales taxable at the rate 12%. Goods. Now here I'll calculate central tax. So you can see that central tax of rupees 4890 has been calculated and state tax of rupees 4890 has been calculated. Now when I'll show you the tax analysis screen, so you will get to know that on Samsung 32 inches, 18% tax has been calculated at the rate 99%, and on Philips LED floor lamps, 12% tax has been calculated at the rate 6% each. Alright. So this way this entry is also done. Now I'll go back and go to daybook and will show you the printing of invoice. Or wait a second, I'll go to sales and will show you by pressing Alt plus P, press enter, go to preview, Alt plus Z. Now you can see that this tax invoice has been printed. This is a digital print. This is Dakshin Electronics Private Limited, my company, and this is Kritika Enterprises, the company with whom I am dealing. Alright, so I am going back. Now, the next question is, as on 1st November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to a consumer in Bangalore, Karnataka. The amount was received through HDFC Bank check wire 890132. The check was deposited to Kotak Bank current account. Buyer is Jagat and GST registration type is consumer and place of supply is Karnataka. For this, I'm going to open my sales voucher over here. Here what I'm gonna do, I'll press F12 and from here I will enable this option again. Select common ledger account for item allocation. Now here the reference number will be 2. Date will be 1st November. Party account name will be, I need to create Kotak Bank current account because I am selling the stock item to a consumer and the amount was received from consumer through HDFC Bank check number 890132, which was later on deposited to Kotak Bank current account. So here I'll create Kotak Bank current account under bank account, and here I'll enable the check range 890132 to 890133. 890133. Kotak check book 1. Here I'll select the GST registration type as consumer. Alright. Sales ledger, under sales ledger I'll simply select sales, and here I'll select LG washing machine @1 @15,500. Now I'll calculate central tax. So you can see that 1395 rupees central tax has been calculated. Now again I'll select calculate state tax. So you can see that the same tax has been calculated over here. Alright, so this way this entry has been done. Next is intrastate inward supply of services. When we purchase services from some kind of supplier, then how we can calculate that intrastate supply of services in Teleprime. You can record the inward supply of services using a purchase voucher. We know that taxability depends on the place of supply. Determining the place of supply is critical to identify the taxability. A supplier of services shall be an intrastate supply if the service provider and the service recipient are in the same state. So the question states that on 1st November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited received print media services worth Rs 90,000 from Tamara Agencies, Bengaluru, Karnataka on credit with the supply invoice number TA/PUR/103. For this, I'm going to open my purchase voucher. Here I'll press Ctrl+H, and from item invoice, I'm going to change my mode to accounting invoice. Here I'll add the supply invoice number TA/PUR/103. Party account name is Tamara Agencies under sundry creditor. They are also from Karnataka, and the GST number is 29DD DD1234 D1Z9. Alright, and here what we are purchasing, print media services. So it will come under indirect income. Here I'll enable GST details, print media services. Purchase nature of transaction will be purchase taxable. Print media services under indirect income. Yes, and media services. It will come under wait a second. Indirect expense and media services. Now it will come under purchase taxable. Okay, so the rate will be at the rate 18%. Now the type of supply comes out to be services. 90,000. Here I'll select central tax. So it will comes out to be 5.5%. Now the central tax has been calculated 2250. So that means that we are purchasing the print media services at the rate 5%, which will be divided in central and state tax at the rate 2.5%. So here I'll calculate state tax. So you can see the same tax rate has been come over here. So this way entry is done. Next, on 2nd November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited provide maintenance services of rupees 5,000 to Bhavani Enterprises Karnataka with sale bill number 3 against the supply of Samsung 32 inches LED Smart TV dated 2 October 2023. So here on 2nd October 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold Samsung 32 inches LED Smart TV to Bhavani Enterprises. But against that Samsung 32 inches LED Smart TV, now they are providing maintenance services. So here I'll add the supply, I'll open my sales voucher. Here I'll add suppliers bill number 3 on 1st November to Bhavani Enterprises. Here I'll add GST number 29 SS triple S 1234 S1Z9. Here I'll create a ledger of maintenance services under indirect income, and here I'll alter GST details maintenance services. Here I'll select sales taxable at the rate how much? At the rate 18%. Services 5,000 and central tax shall be calculated at the rate 450. So that means 9% of 5,000 is 450 and state tax shall also comes under 450. So this entry is done. Now the second type of transaction is accounting interstate supply of goods and services. Interstate supply is a transaction where the location of the supplier and the place of supply is different. Similarly, in the case of services also, a supplier of services shall be an interstate supply if the service provider and the service recipient are in a different state. For example, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited is a company registered in Bangalore, Karnataka. When JJ Traders Private Limited purchased from a supplier whose company is registered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, the supplier is interstate inward supply. So the question is, as on 2nd November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited purchased the following goods from KSS Enterprises, Andhra Pradesh on credit with supply invoice number KSS/PUR/04. So here what they are doing is, I'm going to open my purchase voucher, press F12. Here I'm going to press Ctrl plus H and I'll change the mode to item invoice mode. Here the supply invoice number is KSS/PUR/04. Date will be 2nd November. 2nd November. Party account name is, I'll create KSS Enterprises. Now KSS Enterprises belongs to Andhra Pradesh and my company belongs to Karnataka. So this will be interstate purchase. Here I'll select Andhra Pradesh. Registration type will be regular. GST number Okay, so GST number of Andhra Pradesh starts from 37 double G triple G 1234 G1Z9. Alright. Here I'll select purchase ledger. In the purchase ledger I need to do the alteration. Here I'll select electronic products, purchase taxable at the rate 18% integrated tax. Here I'll select I'll create two stock items, Sony 32 inches LED TV. It will come under electronic products numbers. Yes. Sony 32 inches LED TV. Taxable 18%. Quantity is 3 numbers at the rate 20,000. Next is Sony 43 inches LED TV. Electronic products numbers. Yes. Sony 43 inches LED TV. Taxability taxable at the rate 18%. So quantity is 3 numbers at the rate 35,000. Now here I'll create a ledger of integrated tax under duties and taxes. Type of duty will be GST. Tax type will be integrated at the rate 18%. Here I need to create interstate purchase. Under purchase account, I'll alter the GST, electronic products. Here I'll select interstate purchase taxable at the rate 18%. Goods. So this way, total 29,700 tax has been calculated as integrated tax at the rate 18%. Now, the next question is interstate outward supply of goods. In this section, we will learn to record interstate outward supplies when the place of supply and the location of the supplier are different. As on 2nd November, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to Mataji Electronics, Tamil Nadu on credit with sale bill number 4. So I'll open my sales voucher. Reference number will be 4. Party account name I'll create Mataji Electronics. Under sundry debtor. Here I'll select they are from Tamil Nadu. So the Tamil Nadu GST number is 33KK triple K 1234 K1Z9. Here I'll select sale interstate sales under sales account. I'll alter GST details. Here I'll select electronic products. I'll select interstate sales taxable at the rate 18%. Type of supply will be goods. Here, first of all, I'll select LG washing machine. Quantity is 3 numbers at the rate 15,500. Next is Samsung 43 inches LED TV, 2 at the rate 32,000. Next is Sony 43 inches LED TV, 2 at the rate 37,500. Now at last I'll calculate integrated tax at the rate 18%. So you can see that total 33,950 tax has been calculated. Alright. So this way tax transaction is done. Next is as on 1st December 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited provide maintenance services of 3,000 to Mataji Electronics, Tamil Nadu with sale bill number 5 against the supply of Samsung 43 inches LED Smart TV and Sony 43 inches LED Smart TV dated 2nd November. So here I'll change the date first of all 1st December. Reference number will be 5. Party account name will be Mataji Electronics. Sales will be simple sales. Stock at maintenance services I'm providing. So for this I'm going to change to accounting invoice. Here I'll select maintenance services worth 3000. Here I'll select integrated tax. Interstate sales taxable. So now you can see integrated tax of 540 has been calculated at the rate 18%. Alright. So I hope you are clear from all the practicals done by me regarding GST. So I'll get back to you in next video with more interesting practical entries of GST. So stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.